Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Jessicate Style. And today we're going to the strip because we need to do something, but after that we're going to, well, I'm planning to go to Zara and H&M to window shop. But so I thought about taking you guys with me window shop and show you and probably how I window shop, because what I do every time I window shop, I look around what's like the trends at that season and everything like that, and then I go to like the discounted store, like cheap store like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, or I don't know, like clearance section, and look for those trends. And sometimes I go to thrift store. And without further ado, let's start window shopping. So that's it. That's how I window shop awkwardly. So I'm trying to vlog, like I want to vlog while window shopping, but your girl is so shy because the sales associates are like looking at me weird. And even like I'm trying to just like take a video of the clothes, they're like looking at me like, I don't know, they want to like kick me out or something, but oh well. So going back to whatever I'm saying, most of the trends in Zara and at H&M are wearable, because some trends are, I don't know, like neons. I'm not sure. Probably I need to like look for that perfect neon that, oh my god, the sun, that that complements my skin, because some neon doesn't complement my skin. So yeah, comment down below which or what trend do you like. And then because I want to try on some trends that I've never tried before. I don't know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until my next video, I love you guys and see you guys later.